Today I'm gonna tell you my success story of how my videos went viral on TikTok and I grew my account from 350 followers to 160,000 followers now in only 2 months. Things can change like really fast if you just do the right things. But first of all, if you're new here, I'm Gio. I create art videos for YouTube, Skillshare, and now TikTok, apparently. I'm just gonna start from the beginning just so you have like a little bit of context of where I was and you can kind of like compare to where you are. I've been working as an artist for about 6 years now, but I only started taking social media seriously in 2020 during the pandemic. And I was that kind of person that just had a really slow growth. So I was mostly on Instagram in the beginning. Now I have 3,700 followers acquired through, I don't know, many years of being on Instagram and starting to turn the account more of an art account in 2020. So before that, that was like my personal account. That's why like I have a bunch of like my friends and family there. And then I started on TikTok in 2020 and I acquired an amazing 350 followers in the span of 2 years until November of 2022. So 2 months ago, I had 350 followers on TikTok, okay? I was just not taking seriously, not understanding how TikTok worked at all. I decided to post every day until I couldn't anymore. I'm being really honest with you guys. I did not think I could go viral. I thought I was cursed. I thought it wasn't for me because the algorithm hated me personally, okay? I posted one video a day on TikTok for a whole week and all of my videos were performing the same as usual. So I was getting like, maybe on a good video, I was getting like 500 views, maybe 50 likes. Do you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? I appreciate all the 50 people that liked my videos, but like all of my videos were really flopping. And then the last day of that week, I woke up and I had that beautiful, amazing 99 plus notifications on my phone. I actually freaked out for a moment because I was like, did I just post like a draft of me in the bathroom accidentally? The video I posted the night before had gone viral. And that video just kept growing to the point that it got 2 million views in 2 days. And it was just a complete shift in my account because I started getting a lot of followers, even though my account was completely all over the place. That was like the only video that was doing well. And then I got like my first 30,000 followers like out of nowhere. So this is a story of how my videos went viral. This is the mindset I was in. I wasn't really like trying to go viral. Of course, it would be amazing if it did. If your main goal is to get followers and go viral, it's gonna be really stressful if you fail. Like I failed for so long. Years, literally years. I've been posting content, working for free, filming, spending all this money in cameras and lighting and courses and studying, and it's just so many hours that I've been putting into creating content, and all of my videos were like flopping for years. I say that it happened in a week for me, but it actually happened in years. Okay, so now that you guys understand like my context, where I was, what I was doing before, and how it went viral, I want to talk about the specific video that went viral, why it went viral. And now looking back, I feel like I understood the algorithm and I was able to create a little formula for my videos, and I had multiple other videos go viral after that one. And this is why I was able to grow my account to the point that it is right now. This is the video. If you're drawing leaves like this, stop, because I'm gonna show you a much better way, okay? So grab your ink pens, and first you're gonna draw the leaf shapes just like you usually do. Texture, you see what it's looking like, and this is the results. So this is basically it, okay? It's a little tutorial on how to draw leaves. The first reason this video went viral is because I was drawing something really simple that everybody tried to draw at least once in their lives. I don't think that all the millions of people that engage with my video were actually into drawing. I just think people were able to relate to this much more than the previous videos I was posting with like my super complex detailed art. At the end of the day, I like teaching, but it's definitely the content that gets the most engagement in my experience because it has a clear message, it has a clear story that you're telling, you're teaching people how to do something. So in summary, like the first reason why this specific video went viral and not the other ones is because this one was very relatable. The second reason why this video went viral, and this became kind of like a formula that I apply on most of my videos now. Basically, I didn't go straight away to teaching the drawing. I did like a bad drawing in the beginning, which is not bad. It's just like for the storytelling purpose of showing what this video is not about and giving people something to compare to. I feel like it's kind of like you're doing all the mental work for people to not have to think about what you're doing. You're giving them a bad drawing and then a good drawing. Naturally, they're gonna be able to compare. It's just, you make it easy for them to digest that content. Depending on your content, maybe there's something you can show in the beginning of your video that can contrast with what you're actually trying to show in a video, if that makes sense. I don't know, maybe that gives you an idea. When I do this little intro of like, if this is how you draw leaves, stop because I'm gonna show you how to draw in a much better way. If this is how you draw flowers, stop because I'm gonna show you a much better way. Whenever I do this intro, my videos go viral. If I don't do the intro, the video kind of flops. It's weird, but for some reason, this has worked for me amazingly. So I don't know how you can apply this on your content, but just think of something to contrast with your actual content. The third thing I did, which I think really helps, this is more of like a visual, like my own style of editing. It might not work for you, but I use a lot of B-roll. For each video, I have to film me grabbing the pen, grabbing the paper, and putting on the table, and then I film the sounds, and this is also something that makes the video more dynamic. My editing is very like, each clip usually have 0.4, 0.5 seconds. So it's, you know, I try to make it really dynamic because, you know, people's attention span is not the best nowadays. I follow a lot of accounts that have like a super like slow pace kind of content with like calm music, and they go super well. So I don't really think you need to have a super dynamic kind of content to go well on TikTok. In my case, it helps because I'm teaching something, and I think people are on TikTok to decompress and not to actually learn stuff, right? Like people don't go on TikTok today I'm gonna learn stuff, so let me go on TikTok. If you're creating educational content, I feel like you kind of have to go the extra mile to make your content entertaining because people are not there for that reason. Anyway, let's move on. The fourth thing I am doing that now it makes a lot of sense that this video went viral is that I did a voiceover with my own voice. I had tried before using the text to speech. You know, you write the text and then the Google Voice is the voice instead of my own voice. That video did not go so well. I think that the voiceover for me, it really worked because I don't show my face too much, and people, they don't want something super professional, like a super high-end production for a drawing. They actually like that they are learning from another person. It's almost like they're talking to a friend. It's supposed to look more natural, even though it is edited, and it's supposed to look more like real life. So by using my own voice and just, you know, I have an accent, I don't speak perfect English, I say wrong things all the time, and then people correct me in the comments, which is great engagement, right? They kind of like start connecting a little more with me, even though I'm not showing my face. The content becomes more unique and more authentic to me. So not necessarily you have to do a voiceover. I don't know what kind of content you're trying to create, but the tip here is to find something that is unique to you for you to show on your videos so people can recognize. The last thing I think helped my video go viral, honestly, this is the main reason the video went viral, is because I did something controversial in the beginning. I didn't know I was doing something controversial, to be honest. This is something that like I couldn't have planned, but I did crumble a piece of paper and threw it in the trash for video purposes. Storytelling, guys. That was scripted. It's not how I always do things. That created a whole war in the comment section. People were defending the piece of paper, and then some people were defending me, and people were fighting like they knew me. From both sides. None of you guys know me, but still, you guys were there fighting over a piece of paper threw on the trash. Very interesting. naturally, I responded with this other video. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I don't think I can put this song, but I have that song. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to sing and ruin your day, but let me explain my train of thought, which I think this helped my contents to keep growing. I had the mindset of like, okay, this video went viral very randomly. I'm just gonna ride this wave. So I understood what people were talking about in the comments. I understood that I had people defending me, people hating on me a little bit. And this was an opportunity for me to show more of my personality and who I am, which I think I am a good person, even though I threw that piece of paper in the trash. I'm not proud of throwing the piece of paper on the trash. That moment was totally scripted and not a real representation of who I am. So I didn't take it seriously when people were hating on me. I just thought it was funny. Again, I see TikTok as an entertainment platform for myself as a user. Like, I don't go on TikTok to learn stuff. I don't even follow too many art accounts, because when I am on TikTok, it's because I'm burned out from my day and I just want to laugh at like a cute dog doing something funny. So I was like, I think this is an opportunity for me to make a joke. Like, it's different if this was happening on Skillshare. I think I would have reacted more seriously, but I think TikTok gives you a lot of space to just be funny and be cringy and be stupid, and just like, you don't have to be perfect, you don't have to play cool, you can just kind of be yourself a little more. I made this response and I had a lot of people in the comments hating the video, but also some people were like, I'm following you just because of this response. So again, it kind of shows that people want real interaction. They want to see the real you and how you would actually react to this. Another thing I want to talk about, everybody told me the wrong thing. Not wrong, but people on YouTube were telling me a lot about this consistency thing. I keep hearing about, you need to be consistent, you need to be consistent, blah, 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 blah. But I am finding that this is not necessarily true. My experience, okay guys, I have not been consistent on TikTok at all. Ever since I posted a video, I randomly posted more videos. It wasn't every day, it wasn't at the same time of day, very random. I have a video ready, I post it. I've posted videos in the afternoon, I've posted videos in the middle of the night, like 2 a.m. and that video went viral. I posted videos like 11 p.m. I posted videos different times of the day, random days of the week. I had a 3-week or more period where I posted nothing and I gained like a bunch of followers and a bunch of engagement during that time. I thought everything was gonna freeze and stop because of the holidays and everything. I didn't have time to film and everything, and I was freaking out. I was like, oh my god, my career as an influencer barely started and it's already over, but the algorithm is gonna hate me, I'm never gonna be able to go viral again. And it's just not true. The first video I posted after those 3 weeks went viral too. I don't know, I'm not finding that I actually need to be consistent, okay? This was really stressing me out. Like, the fact that I was not being able to be consistent was like, I'm just never gonna be able to be successful, because this is the unanimous tip that everybody, every creator, every YouTuber, everything, everyone talks about. And I'm gonna tell you from my experience, that has not been necessary at all. When I post a video just to post, like a video that's not super high quality, it's not following this formula that I did before, it's basically a video just to be there, posting here today because I have nothing else to post, so I'm just gonna post something, and this video kind of flops, all of my engagement goes down in all of my videos, the growth in my following goes down, and then it's so weird. But then when I don't post, if I stay like 3 days without posting, the engagement starts growing again. It's really weird. So I found that it's better for me to post 2 videos a week that are super high quality, following the success formula that I swear by now, because every time I use this formula it works, than me just posting 7 videos a week and being consistent. Like, I really think this is a million times better for me to post 2 high quality videos than 7-ish videos that are not gonna go so well. This is different than everything I've heard from everybody. So this is why I wanted to share with you guys how it happened for me. I could do a video if you guys are interested of me showing the process of how I create these viral videos. I can show you from beginning to end, the planning, filming, editing, adding music, like all the process from beginning to end. I can do a video on that if you guys are interested, so let me know in the comments. And yeah, I hope this video helps you somehow, inspires you. Things can change really fast. Like imagine, I don't know where you are right now with your account, but in 2 months, things could be looking very different for you. Content creation, I really feel like you gotta play the long game. It might take years, it might take a week. I had a really slow growth for the longest time, but I like doing it, so I just kept doing it, and now I'm seeing the results. You just gotta believe in yourself and not be the person to say no to you. You're gonna receive a lot of no's, a lot of flops, a lot of rejection, a lot of maybe hate. You have to be the one to keep saying yes to yourself. I have this in my mind. I will die trying if it's something I love, and if it doesn't work out, it just wasn't meant to be, but I will know that it wasn't me who sabotaged myself. I hope you have a great day. Good luck. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please react to this content because, as you can see, I am not doing as well on YouTube as I am on TikTok. But I appreciate all of you guys that are here, and I'll see you very soon on my next video. Bye!